In this video, I am going to show you how to create a portfolio website in WordPress using Hostinger. So let's see how we can do it. At first, we will purchase our hosting from Hostinger and then we will create our portfolio website. So to get started, click on the link in the video description and it will take you to the hostinger.com. From the Hostinger, click on hosting and then click on web hosting. After that, scroll down from here and here you will see all the web hosting packages. You can choose the package based on your requirement and then click on add to cart from here. You can select your time duration from here. If you go for 48 months, it will cost you 2.99 per month. After selecting your time duration, you need to create a Hostinger account. You can enter your email and password here or you can sign up with the Google. After that, you need to select your payment method from here. It will cost you $143 for the 48 months. But if you will use my coupon code, then you will get 5% extra discount. Just click on have a coupon code and then you need to type coupon code here. ATHAR and then click on apply. And as you can see that coupon code is now applied. Now add your payment details here and then click on submit secure payment. After the payment, your web hosting will be ready to use. Once you are done with this step, just log into your hosting account and then from the top click on websites and then click on add website from the top. Now click on WordPress from here. You can skip it from here. Now from here we are going to select create and then click on next. And now we need to add our administrator email and administrator password and then click on next. After that we will select our website type and then click on next. Now instead of pre-built templates, we will select standard themes from here and then click on next. And now for the theme we will select Astra from here and then click on next. Now if you want to install these plugins on your WordPress website, then you can go with the first option. If not, then you can go with the second option and then click on next. We are going to select skip from here. Now from here we will select our domain name that we have purchased from Hostinger. But if you want to use a temporary domain, then you can select use temporary domain from here. And as you can see that WordPress is now installing on our domain. And as you can see that WordPress is now installed on our web hosting. Now to access our WordPress website dashboard, we are going to click on admin panel from here. And it will take us to the dashboard of our WordPress website. Now from here we are going to click on plugins and then click on installed plugins. And from here just click on let's get started with the starter templates. We are going to select build with templates from here. Now from here we are going to search for portfolio. We are going to select this third template from here. If you have the site logo ready, then you can upload your file. You can select your font and color palette from here. And after that just click on continue. Now scroll down from here and then click on submit and build my site. And as you can see that we have successfully installed starter template on our WordPress website. Now we are going to click on view your website. And as you can see that we have successfully created a portfolio website. And now we can easily edit this website according to our own choice. So you can easily change each and everything from this site. Like you can change this text, this image, this menu, this logo, each and everything. To change the site logo from the top, just click on customize. After that click on header builder from here. Then select site title and logo. Click on change logo. Now select the logo from your computer and change it. To change this text and image from your website, from the top just click on edit with Elementor. Select the text that you want to change. And now on the left side you will see a new menu. From here you can change this text. Now to change the second text, just select it and change it from here. Now if you want to change this image with your own image, just select the image from here and then click on choose image from here. Upload the image from your computer or you can select your image from the media library. After that, if you want to add a link for your socials, just click on this pencil icon from here. Now click on any social media and you can add a link for your social media from here very easily. Same like this, you can change each and everything from your website very easily. Just select the text or image and you can change it from here. So change this text and images with your own images and after that just click on update and in this way your website will edit. So this is how you can create a portfolio website very easily with Hostinger. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.